Well, a lovely piece of early J.H. Cope Wellington china here, Imari pattern 1202. It's unmarked with the factory, this particular piece, but we know that it is this particular make and manufacturer and the pattern from other pieces that we've got. This is the only trio that we're putting through for sale due to damage within the set. It was quite heavily worn and used, but this trio is the best and a lovely rare example. Lovely open bowl teacup with this beautiful Imari-esque colour combination, but it's quite a nice one. It's got this lime green and then the oranges, the almost black cobalts, and a lot of this burnt umber brown on it, which is, when you actually look through it, quite rare on a lot of the Imari designs. Remnants of the gilt around the rims, a little bit of line just surviving here on this lovely small arch supported handle with a little rat tail on the base. Just the remnants of the gilt around the base plate again. 1202 decorator's mark on the base here for us. Just look at this beautiful moulding, scroll-like Art Deco designs coming up in the rim of, the wall of this teacup up towards this irregular ribbed support moulded, and that's right the way through the teacup with that beautiful bit of decoration on the inner wall, sitting on a lovely little just over 5.5 inch diameter saucer, again with this beautiful moulding around. This is all palpable. When you pick these things up, you really start to appreciate the detail in this moulding. Some of these enamels are also palpable and rich. You can see the hand decoration that's been applied by the decorators. Just a little brush mark on the base of that one, no pattern reference at all. And those two sit on this lovely little very flat side plate. Just look at that, but just look at the colour and the light coming through that porcelain. There is a little transfer defect here. Do you see that where the line's gone through it and it's all been removed prior to firing? That was done before this went through the kiln, unfortunately, but nonetheless got put into circulation and sale. Again, beautifully moulded around here. Remnants of the gilt line on the central portion of the plate. But the combinations, just look at this. It really does pop. Beautiful, bright colours, bright enamels. Beautiful moulding, fantastic shape. Dates from 1890 through to around 1900. Cope's only started production in 1887, so that's why they were still on these low pattern numbers. 1202 is quite low. Most of the sort of 1900 to 1924 are up into the 3,000 to 4,000s before the First World War, but this is a late Victorian, a nice early example, beautifully moulded, beautifully executed, and in lovely antique patina. Rare as hen's teeth. You won't find another one anywhere on the internet, and a unique set. Thanks for watching.